Ever wondered if your phone is hacked? In this digital era, the question isn't as far-fetched as you might think. Today, we take a deep dive into the signs of a hacked phone and how to reclaim your digital territory if your device has fallen prey to cyber criminals. A hacked phone often exhibits unusual behavior. For instance, your device might start to overheat or drain its battery faster than normal. You might also notice an unexplained increase in data usage or strange pop-ups appearing on your screen. Your phone might also start to operate slowly or crash unexpectedly. If you're receiving unusual text messages or if there are unfamiliar apps on your device, these could be signs of a hacked phone as well. If you've noticed these signs, it's time to investigate. Start by checking your phone's app list for anything unfamiliar. Look at your outgoing calls and messages to see if there are any you didn't make. Check your data usage to see if it's higher than usual. If your phone is jailbroken or rooted without your knowledge, this could be another sign that your device has been compromised. If you've confirmed that your phone is hacked, don't panic. Start by removing unfamiliar apps and changing your passwords. Consider using a password manager to help you create and store complex passwords. Next, update your device's software. Often, hackers exploit vulnerabilities in outdated software, so keeping your device up to date is key. If possible, consider doing a factory reset. While this step will erase all data and settings on your phone, it's one of the most effective ways to remove any malicious software. Finally, consider getting a reputable antivirus app. These apps can help detect and remove malware, and some even offer real-time protection. To summarize, knowing if your phone is hacked involves recognizing the signs, such as unusual phone behavior, strange text messages, and unfamiliar apps. Confirming your suspicions involves checking your app list, call logs, and data usage. Unhacking your phone involves removing unfamiliar apps, changing passwords, updating your device's software, doing a factory reset, and getting an antivirus app. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Keep your phone's software updated, be cautious about the apps you download, and regularly change your passwords to protect your device from hackers. In this digital age, your phone is more than just a communication tool. It's a treasure trove of personal information. So, keep it safe. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated with more tips and tricks to keep your digital life safe and secure, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Remember, your security is our priority. Stay safe and stay informed. Subscribe for more.